Hey friends, welcome to my documentary. Now in telling about how to fill these 4 empty boxes by using of their values. We multiply these 2 boxes. We are supposed to get 72. If we multiply these 2 vertical boxes, we are supposed to get 18. And furthermore, if we add these 2 vertical boxes, we are supposed to get 26. And finally, if we subtract these 2 horizontal boxes, we are supposed to get 11. And now we are going to fill out these boxes by figuring out the appropriate values for every empty box. Friends, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go ahead. Now get started with the solution. And here's the very first step. Let me go. Label these empty boxes. Let me label this one as N. A. This one has a lowercase b, this is C, and this is a lowercase d. And now we can see that, if we multiply these 2 boxes, A times B is going to be 72. Let me go ahead write down, A times B equals to 72. And if we multiply these 2 boxes, we are going to get B times D equals to 18. And now let's focus on these boxes. A plus C equals to 26. Let me go ahead and write down, A plus C equals to 26. And finally this, C minus D equals to 11. Let me go ahead and write down, C minus D equals to 11. Now we can see that, we got these 4 equations, and we are going to solve them by using elimination method, as well as a substitution method. Now the next step, let's focus on these 2 equations, we are going to subtract. Let's go ahead and subtract. I'm going to change the sign. The C becomes to negative sign, and this D negative sign becomes to positive sign. We can see that, the C and this negative C, this is gone, so we ended up with the plus D equals to 26 minus 11, is going to give us 15. Let me go ahead and call this our equation number 1. Here's our next step. Let's focus on this. First equation AB equals to 72. Let me go ahead and divide both the sides by B. And as a result we got this one. The left hand side, this B and B is gone. So we got A equals to 72 divided by B. Likewise, let's focus on the second equation. BD equals to 18. Let me go ahead and divide both the sides by B. Therefore, we can write this equation. This B and B is gone, so we got D equals to 18 divided by B. Now let's focus on this equation 1. Here I am going to replace this A by the 72 divided by B. Likewise, I am going to replace this D by this 18 divided by B. Now let's go ahead and remove these fractions by multiplying by B across the board with each and every term. And we can see that, this B and B is gone, so we ended up with 72, plus likewise this, B and B cancels out, we got 18, equals to on the right hand side, 15 times B is going to 15B. So let's go ahead and divide both sides by 15, so isolate b. This 15 and 15 is gone, so therefore, our b value turns out to be 6. So does the value our box b turns out to be 6. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this equation. A equals to 72 divided by b. And here I have copied it down, and let's go ahead and replace this b, which is 6 in our case. That we figured out, so therefore a is going to be 72 divided by 6, and that is going to give us, if we simplify that, is going to give us a equals to 12. So that's the value of this box. A turns out to be 12. And now let's focus on this next equation. D equals to 18 divided by b. And here I have copied it down. Let's go ahead and replace this b value by 6. So d is going to become 3 value. So therefore, the value for this box, d turns out to be 3. And here the final step. Let's focus on this box. So see, we are supposed to be adding these numbers. A is 12, and this box C, and we are supposed to get 26. Therefore this box has got to be 14. So therefore, the value for this box C turns out to be 14. And finally let's go ahead and check these two horizontal boxes. 14 minus 3 is going to give us indeed 11. So therefore we conclude that all these values are valid solutions. Therefore the value of A equals to 12, B equals to 6, C equals to 14, and finally D equals to 3. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.